Imagine if the most powerful weapon against cancer was already inside you, your own immune system. For decades, scientists have dreamed of harnessing this natural defense, searching for ways to turn the body's own cells into cancer-fighting agents. Now that vision is becoming reality. Today, that's not science fiction. It's happening in hospitals worldwide, thanks to a breakthrough called CAR T-cell therapy. This revolutionary treatment is changing the landscape of cancer care, offering new hope to patients and families everywhere. CAR T therapy transforms your T-cells, your body's natural defenders, into cancer-seeking missiles. Scientists collect these cells from your blood, then reprogram them in the lab to recognize and attack cancer cells with remarkable precision. Cancer cells are experts at hiding, but CAR T gives T-cells a new targeting system, letting them finally see and destroy the enemy. This means cancers that once evaded the immune system can now be hunted down and eliminated. Unlike traditional drugs, these living cells can multiply and patrol your body for months or even years, standing guard against relapse. They become a vigilant army, always on the lookout for any sign of returning cancer. For patients with advanced blood cancers, CAR T offers hope where there was none, sometimes leading to long, healthy lives. It's a second chance for many who had exhausted all other options. What began as a bold idea is now a life-saving reality, marking a new era where we empower the body to conquer cancer from within. The collaboration between patients, doctors, and scientists is driving this progress forward. This is personalized medicine at its most profound, a living drug, rewriting the future of cancer care. With each breakthrough, we move closer to a world where cancer is not just treated, but truly defeated. CAR T therapy is a marvel of personalized medicine, crafted uniquely for each patient. The process starts by collecting a patient's T-cells from their blood. These cells are shipped to a specialized lab, where scientists genetically reprogram them to recognize and attack cancer. The engineered cells are then multiplied into the hundreds of millions. Finally, they're infused back into the patient, ready to hunt down cancer cells. Each step is a feat of science and logistics, requiring state-of-the-art facilities and expert teams. It's not a mass-produced drug, but a custom-built therapy, complex, costly, and full of hope for those with few options. This intricate journey is the blueprint for a new kind of cancer treatment. The CAR T journey begins with leukapheresis, a process much like donating platelets. Blood is drawn, spun in a machine, and the vital T-cells are separated out while the rest is returned to the patient. This simple, hours-long procedure is the first step in creating a living drug. The collected T-cells are then cryopreserved and shipped to a specialized facility, a logistical race against time. While their cells are away, patients may need other treatments to keep cancer at bay. Doctors carefully monitor their health, preparing them for the return of their engineered cells. This collection marks the hopeful start of a complex, life-changing process. It's the moment when a patient's own cells begin their transformation into cancer fighters. At the lab, the real magic happens. Scientists reprogram the patient's T-cells to recognize cancer. This is a process that blends cutting-edge biotechnology with meticulous precision, requiring both advanced equipment and the expertise of highly trained researchers. Every step is carefully orchestrated, as the patient's own immune cells are transformed into a powerful new weapon against disease. Using a harmless modified virus, they insert a new gene that equips each T-cell with a chimeric antigen receptor, or CAR. This genetic upgrade is what gives the T-cells their remarkable new abilities, allowing them to identify and attack cancer cells that would otherwise go unnoticed. This receptor acts as a guidance system, allowing T-cells to lock onto cancer-specific targets like the CD19 antigen. It's like giving each cell a unique set of instructions and a homing device, so they can seek out and destroy cancer cells with incredible accuracy. Before, these cells were blind to cancer. Now, they're precision-guided weapons. The transformation is dramatic, turning ordinary immune cells into specialized fighters designed for a single mission: to eliminate cancer. The process is performed under strict, sterile conditions, with rigorous quality checks at every step. Every sample is monitored, and every procedure is double-checked to ensure the safety and effectiveness of the final product. Scientists confirm the T-cells have adopted their new role and are expressing the CAR on their surface. This verification is crucial, as only the best engineered cells will be used for therapy. This transformation is the scientific heart of CAR T therapy, a patient's own cells, now custom-built to fight their unique cancer. It's a personalized approach, tailored to each individual's disease. It's a delicate, high-stakes process that turns hope into reality. Every success in the lab brings new possibilities for patients and their families. Once engineered, these super soldiers are ready for the next phase: multiplication. The cells are expanded in number, ensuring there are enough to mount a powerful attack against the cancer. The future of cancer treatment is being built, one cell at a time. Each breakthrough in the lab brings us closer to a world where cancer can be defeated by the body's own engineered defenses. A handful of engineered T-cells isn't enough. They must be multiplied into an army. In high-tech bioreactors, these cells grow from millions to billions over 1 to 2 weeks. Scientists monitor their health and potency, ensuring they're ready for battle. After passing final quality checks, the cells are cryopreserved and shipped back to the hospital. Before infusion, patients receive low-dose chemotherapy to make room for the new cells. This step helps the CAR T-cells thrive and reduces the risk of rejection. On infusion day, the living drug is thawed and delivered through an IV, often in under an hour. The patient's own supercharged cells are finally home, ready to seek and destroy cancer. It's a logistical and scientific triumph, bringing hope to those who need it most. The battle inside the body is about to begin. CAR T therapy's rise is a story of scientific rivalry and innovation, led by pioneering companies. Novartis made history in 2017 with Kymriah, the first FDA-approved gene therapy, achieving remarkable remission rates in young leukemia patients. Gilead's Yescarta soon followed, offering hope to adults with aggressive lymphomas. Over half achieved complete remission. Bristol Myers Squibb joined with Breyanzi for lymphoma and Abecma for multiple myeloma, expanding options for patients. These breakthroughs didn't just save lives, they built the complex systems needed to deliver personalized therapy worldwide. Each company's success pushed the field forward, turning a bold idea into a new standard of care. The CAR T revolution is now reshaping cancer treatment, one patient at a time. The race for better, broader therapies continues. The true impact of CAR T therapy is best seen in the story of Emily Whitehead. Diagnosed with leukemia at age 5, Emily's cancer resisted every standard treatment. Out of options, her family enrolled her in a pioneering CAR T trial at age 6. After infusion, Emily became critically ill with a severe immune reaction, cytokine release syndrome. Doctors acted fast, using an arthritis drug to control the storm, and Emily began to recover. Weeks later, tests showed her cancer was completely gone. Today, more than a decade later, Emily remains cancer-free, a living testament to the power of CAR T. Her journey inspired a wave of research and gave hope to thousands. Emily's story proved that a child's own cells could cure her, changing the future of cancer therapy. She is the face of a medical revolution. CAR T therapy's promise comes with real challenges. The cost is staggering, often over $500,000 per treatment, not counting hospital care. Serious side effects like cytokine release syndrome and neurotoxicity require expert management at specialized centers. So far, CAR T's success is mostly in blood cancers. Solid tumors remain a tough frontier. Solid tumors are harder to target and create hostile environments that suppress T cells. researchers are working on next-generation CAR-Ts, safer, smarter, and more affordable. Built-in safety switches and new designs aim to expand CAR-T's reach. Overcoming these hurdles is key to making this therapy available to more patients. The future depends on solving cost, safety, and access. CAR-T therapy has redefined what's possible in cancer care, curing patients once out of hope. For many, it's not just a treatment, but a second chance at life, a moment to celebrate milestones once thought impossible. The joy and relief in these moments are immeasurable, echoing through families and communities. But its high cost raises tough questions. Who gets access? How do we pay for it? What is a life worth? For families facing impossible choices, the price tag can feel like another barrier to hope. The financial strain can be overwhelming, and the system often leaves many behind. As CAR-T becomes more common, we must balance innovation with fairness and sustainability. The promise of these therapies is immense, but so are the challenges of making them available to all who need them, regardless of background or income. Researchers are racing to make treatments safer, cheaper, and effective for more cancers, including off-the-shelf options. Their work is driven by the hope that one day, no patient will be turned away because of cost or complexity. The next breakthroughs may bring universal access, but only if we address the ethical and economic challenges. We must ask ourselves, how do we ensure that innovation doesn't widen the gap between those who can afford care and those who cannot? CAR-T therapy asks us to be as bold in policy as we are in science. It's a call to action for governments, healthcare providers, and communities to work together and rethink how we value life-saving treatments. The living drug has shown us what's possible. Now it's up to us to ensure its benefits reach all who need them. Every survivor is a testament to what can be achieved when science and compassion unite. The future of cancer treatment is here, and it demands bold thinking about access and value. We must build systems that support both innovation and equity, so that hope is never out of reach. The revolution in cancer care is just beginning. Together we can shape a future where every patient has a real chance at life.